The disproportionate impact of this pandemic on communities of color is increasing calls for more inclusive clinical trials. KXAN's Jennifer Sanders takes a closer look at the approach of one local research company to get more minorities involved.
Back-to-back losses of loved ones to COVID-19 has been Jermel Butler's reality for the past year.
You're not imagining, how quick it wipes you out. It takes you out like so fast.
She wanted to be part of a solution, so she joined the Moderna vaccine clinical trials through Benchmark Research. The company wants inclusion as it sees medical mistrust and vaccine hesitancy in communities of color.
The stories and the fears and things of that nature, the non-trust is what we're battling. We want to make sure that what we're doing will work for everyone and that there are no adverse effects.
Van Johnson, Vice President of Business Development at Benchmark, says that's why the company is launching MACRO, Minorities Advancing Clinical Research Operation. Goal 1, increase diversity in clinical studies. In Austin Benchmark trials, 14% of participants are Black, 57% are white, 24% Hispanic, and 4% are Asian. That leads to the operation's second goal, increasing diversity in the clinical research field.
We're trying to get more, whether it be more nurses or CRAs, we call them, whether it be more doctors to come in and act as PIs. We feel that if they see that more, they're more comfortable.
The company is also working with college organizations to encourage minority students to get into clinical research, all in hopes of building future trust in the fight against COVID-19. Jennifer Sanders, KXAN News.
Benchmark Research is in the process of partnering with organizations like the Texas Diversity Council and the United Negro College Fund to provide scholarships for area students. Here's a closer look at the data from both the Pfizer and Moderna clinical trials. Whites ages 16 and up make up 73% of the nation, and the Black population is around 12%. But in the trials, whites were overrepresented and just shy of 10% of participants were Black.